This oversized ranch has endless possibilities to make it completely yours. Spacious living room boasts a brick fireplace great to save on heating, a floor-to-ceiling picture window and lovely accent wall. Seamlessly flow into the dining area great for hosting. Open floor plans moves into the country-style kitchen offering a breakfast bar, brick backsplash, ample cabinet space, and 2 large windows looking out to the backyard. 3 bedrooms, oak hardwood flooring throughout, central air, full basement and more. Spend your days entertaining in the fenced-in yard with plenty of shade from the trees. Located mins from Raymond School, D.West. Field Golf Course, Route 28, shopping and so much more. Call today for your private showing.